Hi and welcome back to this week's episode. In this episode, we show you what we did over the 3 days during the Christmas period. On the 24th, we prepared a huge meal for my son and his family. We also decided to walk around our local town, Floridia, to have a look at not only the Christmas decorations but also the natural beauty that surrounds this lovely town. I have to be honest, I was really impressed at how beautiful everything was done. It's funny how you take everything for granted and never really look carefully at things. Our town looked magical, and thank you to everyone who decorated it. A couple of days before, we'd been to Lingua Glossa and I found holly, so I got Massey to pick me some. Our starter consisted mainly of fish, marinated fresh anchovies, caponata, white-baked fish cakes and more. Our first course was bucatini alla marinara sauce, which is made with shellfish and fish with some fresh cherry tomatoes. This year, our Christmas has been one of the most relaxing Christmases we've had in a long time. We had no one to cook for, and we refused to go to anybody's house. We just wanted to spend Christmas waking up really slowly and just enjoying ourselves and taking it all in. This morning we decided to go to Ortigia for a nice stroll. The weather was beautiful. We thought we'd just walk slowly around all the beautiful buildings and maybe even grab a cappuccino or a coffee and just watch people walk by. And that's exactly what we did, and it was great.
Very different Christmas tree.
Probably better at night, I think.
Yeah, it's probably all illuminated at night, but yeah, that's the daytime version. And this is the Duomo. Hello, Duomo. So, Maria, how's your Christmas day?
Fantastic, very chilled out, woke up later than usual, and we've come for a nice walk. Then we're going to go home and just enjoy some lunch.
Lovely.
Merry Christmas to everybody.
Merry Christmas.
So I really didn't think we'd find anybody here on Christmas Day.
Yeah,
I'm actually quite in shock. It's quite nice to see a lot of people. I mean, we're coming up towards lunchtime, and Sicilians are very into their lunch with their family.
Italians in general.
Italians in general. So it's quite nice, yeah. We're just going for a little walk. The weather's beautiful. This little piece of pavement has been, a little piazza has been closed for like, how long, Mas? Quite a while.
About a year now.
Now it's finally opened. It's so pretty. Look at that. They've done new pavement. And there's a beautiful view. Wow. We call it dolce far niente, which literally means the sweetness of doing nothing. And that's exactly what we did that day. So on the 26th of December, we decided to go see a live nativity scene, which was just literally 4 minutes from where we lived in a little village called Belvedere.
Hey, good evening.
We're on our way.
No, actually, how's it, everybody?
Yeah, how's it, everybody? We're on our way to a live nativity, what do you call it?
It's like a mini festival.
Not a festival. So we'll show you that. We're really excited. We've been waiting for about an hour in queue. So we'll show you around and see what it's like. This is the first time for us too. This nativity scene was incredible. I just thought we would see Jesus and Mary and Joseph and maybe a donkey. But here there was an entire village all on top of a little hill, with every store had something that was going on, like they were making either ricotta or bread or lentils, giving us wine. It was absolutely incredible. We paid €4 per person, and including that €4 you got a little bowl of lentils, a little bowl of ricotta, a little piece of focaccia bread, a glass of wine and a hard-boiled egg. Okay, here we were eating our hot ricotta with the lovely focaccia bread. Unfortunately, I couldn't leave the original sound because the background music would have caused some copyright problems, but the music, all I can say, was beautiful and folk Sicilian.
It was fantastic. Those are rather big, aren't they?
Big pair of jocks there. Okay.
Okay, we're going up to the mountain. Not that high, but very cute. Pretty high now.
Yeah.
Beautiful view.
On top of the world. Piace.
Bellissimo.
Portiamo avanti questa tradizione.
Per forza.
Bellissimo.
Per forza.
Abbiamo un bel posto qua naturalistico che ci offrono la natura
E questo è proprio vero.
lo sfruttiamo in questo modo. Poi
Infatti.
uno ce la mette.
So here we've got lentils, I think. Yeah, it smells like it. It smells divine. The pot. Nice and hot on a cold night. And lentils is a traditional dish, and it's a symbol of money. This is my favorite shop, the weaving.
Ogni tanto però la fai no?
Bello.
E fare foderare i bottigli.
Sì.
Non ricordo che ci si tu ci dissero di
Certo.
certo.
Perché bevo solo.
And right on top of the last bit of the mountain, right on top of the hill, we get to see Jesus, Mary and Joseph and the donkey and the cow.
Ciao bella di casa. Ciao. Bello che sei.
Must be the owner, hey?
Yeah.
He lost his cat. Oh look, are they growing? Broccoli.
Yeah.
Broccoli.
Cavolo fiori, broccoli.
I hope you enjoyed our Sicilian Christmas episode. Wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.